In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Alibaba Qwen 2.5 Max online. As you can see, you can access this link or this site by having into chat.qwen.lm.ai. So how you can use the Qwen 2.5 Max? Just head into this drop down and then select the AI that you want to use. And we want to use the Max version. The Max version is the most powerful language model in the Qwen series. Well, you can ask different prompts here. Like you can use this for web research, for artifacts, or for image generation, and also video generation. So for example, if you want to ask this to code something, just type in code and help me to create a to-do list in JavaScript. And as you can see, it has given us a simple code on how we can use it with a basic implementation of to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and of course the JavaScript. So as you can see, when you close this, you can add another chat by clicking the new chat and click the leave anyway. You can also ask different things here, like for example, as for the artifacts. So let's just read for this one, since it will be displaying the other thing on the artifacts, which is the output of this code. That's how you can use the Alibaba Qwen 2.5 Max online, and thank you for listening.